It's time for spring break. Are you ready? BattleBot Workshop sure is. Make your facility the talk of the town as you introduce spring break campers to a whole new level of awesome. Add giant build and battle robotics to your list of activities. No one does STEM-based robotics like we do. Prepare for an experience your kids will never forget as they work as a team to build mega-sized robots that are made to crash and bash. Get ready for exciting sports like giant robot soccer, giant robot football, and the all-time favorite, giant battle bots. Wow! We make it easy. No need to load a bus or keep track of wandering kids. BattleBot Workshop is an in-house field trip specialist that could bring this colossal activity to your location or venue. That's right, we can go wherever you are. Don't have the space at your facility? We've partnered with local parks and recreation centers to provide the room you need for your groups to enjoy. Give us a call for a park near you. BattleBot Workshop is leading the way in the sport of family-friendly build and battle robotics. Reserve your group activity today and prepare for an experience like none other. BattleBot Workshop, delivering Texas-sized fun for your next spring break event.